How to use Rocket Lawyer contract templates properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think contract templates are plug and play, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can render agreements unenforceable or leave parties unprotected. The first mistake is failing to customize key terms. Rocket Lawyer provides a strong framework, but beginners who leave placeholders or generic clauses risk ambiguity and legal disputes. Another common error is not specifying parties clearly. Contracts must name all individuals or entities involved precisely. Beginners who use informal titles or nicknames risk unenforceable agreements. Many users skip deadlines, payment terms, or remedies for breach. Omitting these details leaves critical gaps that can create conflicts or delay enforcement. Ignoring jurisdiction or governing law is another pitfall. Rocket Lawyer allows you to specify state law, but beginners who skip this step may encounter legal complications if disputes arise. Finally, some assume templates replace attorney review. While Rocket Lawyer guides you through drafting, complex contracts like mergers, licensing, or high-value agreements require professional review to ensure enforceability. To use Rocket Lawyer contract templates properly, customize all key terms, clearly identify parties, include deadlines and remedies, specify governing law, and seek legal review for complex agreements. Avoid these mistakes, and your contracts will protect your interests effectively and legally.